Hi Tristan,
Hi there.
we're here at Med-Tech Expo in Birmingham, and you're at i4 and you've got some cool product that you're showcasing. Can you start maybe by telling me what i4 does and the types of projects and products you work with?
Yeah, absolutely. So i4 Product Design is a hardware development company. So we support medical devices and their development from concept all the way through to manufacture. And this is a project that was started in COVID times. There was a founder who noted through working in pharmaceutical companies that lots of people, over 70% of people, don't use their inhaler correctly. So we worked with her to develop basically the electronics, which was going to monitor the actual usage of it, so the shaking, the time between the shake to the inhalation, and also the pressure, most importantly, of the inhale. So it uses Bluetooth to send all that information to the user's phone, and that then sends it on to the clinician through their secure platform. So really it's adding that extra layer of compliance, intelligence, and training, and direct feedback actually from the LEDs as well.
And what I find interesting is that it's kind of like an add-on product, right?
Yeah, so you can use any of the standard meter dose inhalers, which will plug in to a spacer via a custom insert here. So all the electronics are discreetly housed in here with a rechargeable interface. Yeah.
Amazing. And what are the types of challenges you had to overcome to get that product?
So we used a Nordic chip in here, so obviously it's got an excellent track record, low power usage. So battery size is always a challenge. You want to get the most amount of sessions involved. So it's about trying to miniaturize it, but also make it usable with the interface. Human factors was a concern as well, because you've got a lot of constraints when you're retrofitting onto something. So you have your power, your visible spectrum as well.
And what are there any opportunities for a device like this in medical or clinical trial settings?
Yeah, so that you can move into other indications, so COPD rather than the management of asthma and related diseases is one. Potentially, again, mentioned on compliance, so it could be used in clinical studies. There's Bluetooth in there, so it could be used in other ways, in proximity, for example, as well, to the user for that device.
And to finish with, maybe can you say why you picked Bluetooth over other technologies? Why is it more attractive than, I don't know, cellular?
Battery power being quite low in the draw. As we said, with space, weight was a concern. You don't want to add too much weight to a device that didn't have that in the first place.
That makes sense. Thanks a lot, Tristan.
Yeah, no problem. Thank you.
Cheers.